Hey guys, just a quick little video. I received the package today from Banggood and I'm very curious to see the quality of it. It's basically a drone, low budget drone if you will, that has, that makes big promises. So let's see what this is all about. Alright, so we got this case. It says 4K, 2 batteries. 4K? Wow. This thing's like $80. You got the little drone logo. It's a very cute little case. It's weird that the handle is on the opposite side of zipper, but I guess that works too. Alright, so now that the phone is propped up, we can have a proper look. So in the bag, oh there you go, you got propellers, left, basically a clockwise and counterclockwise blade, a charger wire, 7.4 volt 1200 milliamp battery, which isn't fully charged. We gotta charge that. Like I said before, you can get extra batteries in the order while you're ordering. Alright, so let's take out the drone itself. Okay, it's really quite light actually. Obviously the battery's not in it. So how does this work? Okay, so this flips out like this. And this one pops out this way. And again over here. Oh, you get little feet. And you got the camera. Again, it says 4K here. And obviously the battery clips in like this. Or the other way. Nope, that's the way it goes. There we go. So the battery goes there. Get the antenna sticking out here. I don't know exactly. Obviously, I haven't taken out the manual yet, so I don't know where the power would be, if there is any. Okay, so the battery charge indicator is also the power button for the drone. So okay, obviously it needs to be charged because it's not staying on. So let's get the battery back out. Okay, so that is handles, I guess. Not too bad. I probably need, okay, that's for the phone. Okay, so this comes out, stick your phone there. I obviously need batteries. 4 AAA cells. Okay, there's the other battery. So I've got 2 batteries. Alright, so it's a decent looking drone. It's got a weird little controller. I've got 2 batteries and we got to charge them up before I can do any real testing and review and so on and so forth. So I'll charge up the batteries and get to a review as soon as I can, hopefully within the coming week. I'm really curious to see how this thing goes, considering the price is under $100. So look forward to that, and I'll catch you guys later.